Hi, welcome to Christy's Corner. Today we're going to work on toothbrushing, and my grandson Will is going to help us. Now Will already knows how to brush his teeth, but he's being a good helper to his grandma. So first you take a toothbrush, and I like to put just a little bit of toothpaste on.
I just put some on there first.
You did put it on for me. Thanks, Will. Now a lot of times kids are tactile defensive, and no one likes to have their teeth brushed by someone else. It's not really fun.
Actually, so I have toothbrushes.
Yeah.
That's what you said.
You do. It's helpful to use counting when you're doing this too. So I like to point and count. 1, 2, 3, stop. And then again and again to each side. What the counting does, it lets your child know, or your student, that there's a beginning and an end. And that's very helpful. After you do 3 and they've mastered that, you can move on to 5 and 10. Then once this is mastered, then you can help them hold the toothbrush and do hand over hand, and eventually they'll be brushing their teeth by themselves. So Will and I are going to show you how to do it. Right, Will? Here we go. I'm going to start here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and stop. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, stop. And give them a little break. Sometimes it's 10 seconds or more. Other side. 1, 2, 3, stop. Now I'm going to do the top. 1, 2, 3, stop. And the other side. 1, 2, 3, stop. There you go. And we're done. Oh, let's get the front. We almost forgot. 1, 2, 3, stop. Awesome, Will. Now you can rinse your mouth. Rinse off your toothbrush. And it's pretty simple. Counting helps beginning and an end. And then they're aware of how long you're going to be brushing their teeth. Good job,
Let's
buddy.
do silly one.
Okay. Bye for now. You want to say bye, Will?
Bye.
Thanks for helping, buddy.